International Festival. It's our biggest event of the year. We are very excited to have almost 2,000 people here with us today.
And it's an opportunity for everyone in our community to come together and celebrate the year.
We are a school of about 70 nations with 50 different home languages, and welcome everybody to the grand finale of the 23-24 school year.
We have plenty of activities going on. We have a phenomenal stage program. We have face painting. We have lots and lots of activities.
And we have games, we have football, we have sports. And there's rugby.
So my highlight today was making families connect with one another.
You can get cookies and sweets like cupcakes. And Nana makes like bubbles, big bubbles. Our favorite was with the flag.
We had some junior performers. We had just an absolute massive talent up there. It was great.
And learning how to perform is really part of being a musician, so really proud of all of those students.
It's because of the values of kindness and respect that we come to trust one another, and when everybody feels that they belong, they feel engaged, they feel ready to innovate, and then of course the ultimate, everybody gets to flourish. And that's what we're here all about.
It's fun all around.
So much fun!
It's just absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Thank you very